Afternoon, another. My name is Jamie, and yes, another year, another iPhone, and I'm so excited because I gotta say the iPhone 15 Pro has been my favorite iPhone since the iPhone 10. From the display, the cameras, and even just having USB-C, it has been a really great year. And last year I did decide to go with the natural titanium, and even though I do still really enjoy that colorway, I had to switch things up for this year, so we're going with white titanium. The Pro series is still also available in black titanium, but this year they introduced a new colorway called Desert Titanium. I've never been a fan of the gold Apple products, so I do stay away from those. I do like the whites or the silvers, but if you are on the fence, I do highly recommend the natural titanium. It is a really fun and nice colorway. It's neutral and it kind of goes with everything. And of course, the standard new feature in the iPhone 16 series, not reserved for just the pros, is that new camera control. Yes, I know it's just a button, but that button has touch sensitivity, haptic feedback, and it's just gonna give you more control when capturing your content. But the feature that I'm most excited to try is that new 48 megapixel ultra wide lens. I can't wait to see what those images look like. We now have the ability to capture 4K 120 video, which is absolutely crazy. I don't even want to see how large those file sizes are. And now in the regular Pro size, so the 6.3-inch size, we now have that 5x optical zoom lens, which was previously just for the Pro Max, but I don't like the larger size, have small pockets, but I don't want to have to compromise on features. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox. So we do have the wallpaper art right there. Flipping it over and opening it up. So we just have those two pull tabs. I do really miss the shrink wrap that we used to have, and oh my goodness, this is so white. It is like a sheet of snow. So comparing very quickly the back, so that we have the natural titanium and we have the white titanium. The sides on the white is a little lighter, a little brighter, so that's good for me. And of course, we do have the new camera control button, which does not exist on the 15 series. So the display size did get a tad bit bigger. So we have 6.1 versus 6.3. And if we were to compare on camera here, it is a tad bit taller. So as far as width of the phone, they seem to be identical. But again, I really do like that natural titanium. So if you don't have a 15 Pro, I definitely recommend that natural. But like I said, we went with the white. It's so pretty, so shimmery. Let's go ahead and peel her open. Beautiful, beautiful. And then as far as what's in the box, so we do have this dynamic island shaped woven USB-C to USB-C cable. No power brick here. So new shape here. So it's the size, the shape of a dynamic island. It used to be just a circle, very long. What's also cool with MagSafe, it's now able to charge up to 25 watts versus previous 15. So faster charging using MagSafe. I won't lie, I don't really use MagSafe to charge. I just use USB-C. Another dynamically shaped pamphlet here with no stickers. No stickers. It's such a shame. Now, although Apple does not make leather products anymore, they have that fine woven still. Although they discontinued the cases, they're still fine woven wallets. I do have an orange leather wallet here. And I gotta say, it looks really good with the white there. And the iPhone 16 series will come with iOS 18 pre-installed, but it's available to download now for your current iPhone. And it just gives you even more customization over your iPhone. You can now arrange the icons on your home screen, lock screen, and dashboard however you'd like, and even change the color or tint of your icons without the need of any shortcuts. Now, unfortunately, the feature that's gotten the most hype is not available at the time of the release of the iPhone 16 series. Of course, that's going to be Apple Intelligence. Apple says later this fall, so hopefully by the end of the year, we get to check that out. But just keep in mind that it won't run on anything later than the iPhone 15 Pro series. So 16, you're okay. 15, you're not okay. You need to upgrade to the iPhone 16 or above to be able to take advantage of Apple Intelligence. And this is going to make the iPhone even more personal device, and I'm so excited to be able to have Siri actually answer some of my questions. Now, I know we often tend to just focus on what's new with the hardware, what's new with design, but of course, what makes all these AI features possible is the new A18 and A18 Pro chip. Perhaps one of the reasons why the 15 Pro is just my favorite phone in such a long time is just what a smooth and non-buggy experience I had. I do like to edit lots of photos on my iPhone, and they're large file sizes, and I do it in Lightroom. Lots of presets and all sorts of things, and the iPhone 15 Pro is just able to handle them like nothing. Also new in the iPhone 16 Pro series are the 4 new built-in studio sound quality mics that'll allow you to edit the audio after the fact, which I think is super cool. So you don't need to rely on external mics to capture your audio. Although I still probably recommend them, but I'm gonna have to test the quality of these 4 new mics for myself. In fact, let me know what else you'd like tested down in those comments below. While you're down there, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and until next time, I'll see ya.